Lars Young. Lars Young.
Oh yeah, FANAYOH morning, FANAYOH morning. 9:51 on this beautiful Saturday. I've been paying attention to the SE Instagram page, been paying attention to Todd Lyons' Instagram page, and we all know they've been talking about something real special. A LA Big Ripper. Man, a LA Big Ripper, you know what I'm saying? So I am here. Only one in the parking lot. Just waiting for the doors to open to see if the best bicycle shop in Carson Cyclery, my home shop, just to see if they got it. Just to see if they gonna get it. Just to see if I can drop a deposit. Just to see if I can pay it in full. Whatever I gotta do. You know, it's only right. The Los Angeles Big Ripper? Come on. Lars Young? Me? SC Bikes? Hey, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? And this, just documenting this, showing y'all, you know, how real it is. You know what I mean? It's not a game. You know, it's not a game. Hey, stay tuned. We'll see. The doors open in a few minutes. Stay with me. Whoa, what do we have here? What do we have here? Look what we got here. Unboxing, the first official unboxing of the Los Angeles Big Ripper at Carson Cyclery. The best bike shop in Carson. You already know what it is. Wow. Hey, you see it? Carson Cyclery. Man, it's a beautiful thing. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Feels so good right now. Can't wait to get this thing built so I can get out on the streets and ride it. Wait. All right, everybody. So they do have the bike. I got the bike. Yes, Carson Cyclery. So look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys Bo, the bicycle mechanic, is going to build the bike from scratch right out of the box. Every piece, everything. He's going to throw it up on the rack for me, and he's going to build it right in front of us. So you're going to get a chance to see the Los Angeles Big Ripper get built from scratch right now in front of your very eyes. Pay attention. Pay attention. Shout out to Carson Cyclery. Shout out to Bo for doing his thing. About to hook up this bike right now and build it from scratch right in front of me so you guys can actually see it be done. I can't wait. Let's go and build this bike. SE. Just like that, the bike is built. Y'all seen Bo do his thing like he always do. You already know what it is. He built this from scratch, straight up, boom, boom, right out the box. There you go. Just like that. Man, I'm so happy to have this limited edition SE Bikes, Los Angeles, Big Ripper, 29er. You already know what it is. I'm so happy to have this right now. So thank y'all so much. Shout out to Carson Cyclery, man. Y'all please follow Carson Cyclery on Instagram. Check them out if y'all need anything for your bikes, any parts, anything like that. Call them, check them out, see what they got. Come up here, check out the vibes and do all that. But please, let them know Lars Young sent you, you know what I'm saying? But hey, don't forget to follow SE Bikes. Don't forget to follow SE Bikes Los Angeles. And don't forget to follow I Am Lars Young. You already know what it is. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. FANAYOH, and I'm out. Oh yeah. Ooh, first time seeing the light, baby. First time seeing the light. Oh, it's so beautiful, ain't it? Yeah. Oh yeah. Straight to the ground, baby. Straight to the ground.
Lars Young. Lars Young.